Hey guys, this is Thomas at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a custom ordered Boston whaler. This is the 16 Super Sport. Ordered this for a customer. Guys, he requested that we leave the shrink wrap on until he's able to use this boat a little bit later on. So that's why the shrink wrap is on. But this boat, guys, it was ordered with the split bow rail. You've got two options for engines on this boat. You can get the 75 or the 90. This one has the 90 horsepower Mercury with the ski tow bar. This boat's a rocket ship with this engine, fun to drive. It comes with two external 6-gallon fuel tanks. Guys, this boat will have the dual bucket seats, the bow filler seat, and the cooler cushion seat as well. Guys, it does come with the trailer. It has a full-size spare LED lights on the trailer. Guys, this is such a fun boat to drive, easy to manage, easy to take care of. Doesn't take up a lot of space in the garage, easy to tow with just about any vehicle. Just an absolute great boat, fun to drive. Wish I had the shrink wrap off, guys, but this is a customer's boat, and per his request, we still have the shrink wrap on it. So this is it, guys. Great boat. This is what it looks like in the shrink wrap. If you got any questions, please reach out to your local MarineMax. If you're in upstate South Carolina, reach out to MarineMax Greenville, ask for Thomas, and I'll be happy to go over some details on this boat for you. Thank you and have a good day.